Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the carnivore diet and whether or not it can help you lower your cholesterol. The carnivore diet is a very restrictive diet that only allows meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. It excludes all fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, and processed foods. Some people believe that the carnivore diet can help lower cholesterol because it is high in saturated fat. Saturated fat has been shown to raise LDL cholesterol, which is known as the bad cholesterol. However, LDL cholesterol is not the only factor that determines your risk of heart disease. Other factors, such as HDL cholesterol, triglycerides, and inflammation, are also important. Can the carnivore diet lower cholesterol? There is some evidence to suggest that the carnivore diet can lower cholesterol. For example, one study found that people who followed the carnivore diet for 12 weeks had lower LDL cholesterol levels than those who followed a standard diet. However, it is important to note that this study was small and short-term. More research is needed to confirm these findings. Is the carnivore diet safe for people with high cholesterol? If you have high cholesterol, it is important to talk to your doctor before starting the carnivore diet. This is because the diet is high in saturated fat, which can raise LDL cholesterol levels. Your doctor may recommend that you start the diet under their supervision. What are the other benefits of the carnivore diet? In addition to the potential benefits for cholesterol, the carnivore diet has been shown to improve other health conditions, such as weight loss, type 2 diabetes, and autoimmune diseases. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings. Conclusion: the carnivore diet is a restrictive diet that may help lower cholesterol for some people. However, it is important to talk to your doctor before starting the diet, especially if you have high cholesterol. The carnivore diet may also have other health benefits, but more research is needed to confirm these findings. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was informative. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.